Nuren again. Dis Nuru wat praat. Sy is te maka. Baie te maka. Sy weet nie wat gaan aan nie. Sy is bang, sê sy. Sy is bang vir haar lewe. Want sy weet nie wat gaan gebeur met haar nie. Sy het geworried vir wie sy kan trust. Sy weet nie vir wie sy kan trust nie. Nou voel sy is op die oorlogpad. En as sy op die oorlogpad is, dan soek sy peace. Dan kyk sy waar kan sy regkom. Maar sy weet dat sy kan vir niemand trust nie. Maar sy gaan nog altyd try haar beste. Dat is Nurens Nuru. Sanbonani Tumalang. Die show is nou vandag. Is die show nou klaar. En ek praat eintlik Afrikaans. Because ek kan Sabella ook. Weet jy dat? Ek Sabella goed is wat Chinese kan Sabella nie. Because weet jy wat is Sabella? Sabella is wanneer jy die waarheid praat. Wanneer jy uit jou hart uit praat. Maak nie saak wat jy praat nie. Maar solank het van jou hart afkom. En is die fucking waarheid wat jy praat. Dan Sabella jy. Sy Sabella nie, iemand anders is Sabella nie. Hy vertel sy het oor die, aan practice die en hy is Sabella, 'n story wat hulle gehoor het, dan maak jy eintlik die ene famous, vir Sabella, jy repeat. So moet jy jou eie Sabella maak, die is wat het call Sabella, my truth. Isn't it? Someone call me right, call me wrong, because that is what I think it means. And don't let me get into the numbers, and the generals and the soldiers and the stuff. Because I want to know what's going on, who's soldiers and who's gangsters. I want to know. Because I'm cock scared. Very scared. Even of people who are not gangsters. People in high places, I'm scared of. I'm scared of people at the hospital. I'm scared of people at the law enforcement. I'm scared of people who work for the police. I'm scared of people around because I don't know if I can trust them. And now I'm going to look at how fucking paranoid. But guess what? I have a reason to be paranoid. I have fucking reason to be paranoid. Because ek trap op mense se tone. Mense doen nie hulle werk nie. Hulle doen nie hulle werk nie. And when I tell them how to do their job and how they can help the next generation or this generation or even the previous generation, because you need to start at the older people first before you move to the younger persons, because the older peoples are the ones looking after the younger people and they are actually responsible for the next generation. So do not skip the adults. Start with the adults. Start with the grandparents. Start there. Give them counseling. Give them advice. Keep them up to date. And so those are the things why I think I'm in fucking trouble. I'm in trouble. I feel like they're gonna kill me. Are they gonna? We'll find out.